This is Lance from Lance's Auto Vlog. I'm back with another video. So we have this 2009 E90 BMW E90 3 Series BMW, and we're doing a Apple CarPlay screen in the dash. So the customer came to us and asked us, hey, can you guys put this touchscreen Apple CarPlay unit in that he bought on the internet car? He said he'd called a couple of shops, and they didn't want to cut the dash. We're like, sure, as long as it's got instructions. It did have instructions, but they were in Chinese or Japanese. So we kind of like went through it and kind of made sense. So what we did was, in this case, is we, as you can see, modify the dash here, cut it. So literally cut the whole section. We pulled out the factory AC with the switches and everything, pulled out OEM radio, and this unit had a T-harness that allows us to plug in the factory screen in here, and so that wasn't complicated. And then we added a OEM camera because this kit came with the camera kit. So what was kind of cool is it didn't take very long to modify. Like I said, we had to literally cut this bracket out, so you got a hole that's pretty big, you know, a pretty sizable hole here. So cut this big old section out, and we had to trim it a couple different times to make it fit right. And then we had to run an aux cable into the center console here, and then we gave him a USB because it came with a USB. And like I said, this is a E90 body with the Apple CarPlay, with the backup camera that came with the kit. And like I said, the connections are here, and we ran them through a section in the dash, back here, then back down, and then back around, and everything plugs in. Really cool kit. It just takes some time to do it. So I'll come back with another completed part where it's all together, and you can see how it all works. And like I said, we modified that dash to cut into the dash where it literally allowed the customer to put the screen in, and it plays through the aux of the radio itself. So you can see there it's on an aux. So you got your CarPlay, so you have access. It's touchscreen, so there's no controller. It's just basically a touchscreen screen that allows you to get into wherever you want to go. You can see it plays music. So it's a plug and play device from the standpoint of everything plugging in. There's no modifications, there's no cutting wires. It's basically just installing a screen, cutting the dash out, and plugging everything into the OEM screen itself. And it's pretty tough, so really nice. So with that said, this car's back together. It's a wrap. Moving on to the next one.